Want to remove some people that are following you on Facebook? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to remove friends on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Search the profile of the person that you want to unfriend by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the top right. Then tap on Friends. Then tap on Unfriend. If you don't know their username, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then go to your profile, scroll down, and tap on See All Friends. Here you can search for their account, tap on it, then follow the same steps as mentioned before. And that is how you remove a friend on Facebook. If you want to know how to cancel sent friend request on Facebook, make sure to check out the video on our channel. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.